Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy essay on Har Ghar Tiranga. Har Ghar Tiranga is a campaign that encourages Indians to proudly hoist the national flag at their homes. It was launched in 2022 as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The campaign promotes patriotism, unity, and respect for the Tiranga. It also reminds us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. People celebrate it by displaying the national flag and taking part in patriotic activities. Har Ghar Tiranga inspires every citizen to love and respect our country. It is a beautiful symbol of India's unity and national pride.